Good morning, my friends from the Macintosh community. This is Darkball back after I don't know how long. Forget that. And I'm basically here to videotape my little Macintosh 7500 here. Curse you. CDs. That thing was originally in the video I had taped that thing as a television Mac. And that's about it, since that's all I ever realized I could do. But at this point, I've managed to install Ubuntu Linux, a feat that's taken me about 2 to 3 years to finally get done. And with that, managed to install cool peripherals like this microphone, a webcam from Philips, USB storage. I have not tested this out yet, but we'll reboot this thing and see if it works. And hopefully, and I would be switching to stuff like this keyboard and this freaking awesome mouse, but that would take away the old-fashionedness of this stuff. Alright, let's give this a reboot. Show both OSs. Yeah, that's a sucky microphone. I do apologize for the fact I have no chair, too. That's how it's been for the past couple of years. You can see I got OS 9.1 installed on this awesome thing. It's also got some 650 megahertz G3 processor and 256 megs of RAM installed onto it. And I've also installed some cool stuff like Classilla, a couple games, and as in the last video that I removed because of issues, timing, yeah. I'm also going to be showing you the television. Hey, where'd the remote go? I can't see my extensions. Okay, now you can go up. What do you complain about, Mr. Computer? It's 12:50 a.m. This thing's not that far off. Maybe like 100 years or so. Nope, 1956. Let's get that actually done right before we get on. Oh. Thank you, Apple Time Server. You did that for me. How nice of it. And where did oh, I forgot. I put all my crap in tabs. Internet. There's Classilla, VNC Viewer. Hey, wait a minute. System preferences. Showing screen. Let's give this a try. Actually, I know I've done this before. Jeez, I sound busy with that keyboard. What would be the password? Oh, come on. Other computer? go. See, my computer's all under control. Ish. And you can see me recording. Oh, the irony, huh? Alright. Time for the best part of this. TV. Moving control strip. What the? 1 second! So we decided it would be a good idea to unplug that thing, wouldn't it? Ah. We're getting somewhere. Oh well. I think I get up to channel 99 on that thing, which is actually pretty awesome. And I will probably show you all a couple of games, but I see no point in that one. I'll show you the other most awesome part. Linux. Just sit back and watch. It would take a thought sometime. Okay, I think we're getting there. Yes, there we go. Beep, beep. I wish this thing would go a little bit slower so I could at least read everything, but oh well. I've also managed to install a little wireless adapter on the back of the monitor, so... Screw internet and Ethernet. Yet again, this is the guy that says he's using Ethernet on the back of this thing at the same time. But oh well. Beep, 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 beep. Minutes so far. I've installed Slim Login Manager like when YouTube user did with his PowerBook 3400, one of which I have, but unfortunately has almost no way to turn on. Poor little thing. I love that thing too. Now I think this thing might go as planned. And I've also installed Ice Window Manager and OpenBox, both for different reasons. I think I might stick with OpenBox at this point. F1, default, which goes slow, XFC, don't have that, OpenBox! And time for my most awesome password ever that has not been broken for almost 10 years now. I model it into a 45-letter password for security purposes. Okay, I think we're good. Yay! Terminal emulator. Actually, wait. Then go to TTY. Go a terminal one. Because I do have to run an IRC server on this thing. It's at 7! M active. There we go, now at least have some sort of... What the... Yay! Now you have some sort of means of connecting to the internet. And I'll do that by connecting to my wireless network. Bing! Now time to go to... What's it called? RCA. I'm not actually going to give the name of this server, as I am actually hosting it. As I actually have it on Freenet for, well, anarchy purposes. / join number at yes, that's right. And / mode number at twas 3 4 5 percentile g upper h. There we go. Password protected. And / nick to Ammon Imus. A Bob Imus? There we go. I'll show you some funky statistic features. I gotta set my wallpaper real quick. Dolphin. Gonna open that up to use my file browsing. If any of you can find a more lightweight file browser, I would be so happy. Just leave that in the comment box below. Thank you. Let's remix this. There we go. That way. Where the heck are my wallpapers at? There we go. intended. And just spell that. Oh well. I guess I could set the wallpaper that way. Yes, go Hatsune Miku. Just close that. It's nice to Linux. I don't have to use something like ClassZilla, which is mega buggy, but actually rocks a lot. Since I can do stuff like Google Instasearch. But instead I got Firefox, I think 3.5. Which is the most awesome thing ever. Mr. Firefox, do I have to play Jeopardy again? Thank you! Only problem with this is since it's a PowerPC browser, I have no means of getting YouTube. Maybe except for some little program called Totem. That might work, actually. Right. Do something like Google. Then go to another tab and go to Gmail. And behold, the power of JavaScript. See? Instant search. Go from YouTube to Yahoo! You can see it's loading the JavaScript-based version, which I think is actually pretty kick-ass. I'm trying not to swear here, pardon me for that. Trying to keep it safe for even the kids on YouTube. Because they need to appreciate a piece of history like this thing. Okay, why am I ranting? Time are we at? 18:50, my god. Okay, got some new mail. And I can actually do stuff like Google Chat, and if I actually could download the plugin for PowerPC, I could actually turn this thing into an internet phone. But so far, I think I'm going to stick with this thing being an IRC server, and if I can afford some CCTV cameras, a HAL 9000 light system. And probably freak some people out by if it detects motion, it just says to the speaker outside the house to the stranger, "Hello there, would you like a smoothie?" And I'm just gonna shade that window. And now the only other impressive thing I have on here is the music. Whoa, wrong folder. Gotta keep my music on this little 128 megabyte flash drive. Yes, 128. For the win. And we're telling that will absolutely make you just go, ah! There we go. I'm gonna open up Amarok. "20 minutes already, my goodness." I haven't really showed you that much either. rediscover your music. And as you can tell, because this thing's like, I don't know, 650 megahertz, maybe 500, I forgot. It never was specified what speed this thing was. Except in the Apple System Profiler thingy, that's it. So it's about 500 to 600 megahertz, and pretty impressive for that. It's just still slow as heck on Linux. Kind of annoying, but gotta get over that. Here, that or just buy some extra RAM and some better processor card, preferably a G4 from Sony, and if possible, upgrade this thing. Why do I need to upgrade that? It's got 218 gigabyte. There's the music. As you can see, even hard work on this computer interferes with the music. Yeah! When the string is too low, you know the... Okay, I can stop that now. How do I quit this? Hurry up! Look at X kill it. Ah! Okay. This thing's going a lot slower than I thought. I may have to quit, but I think I'm seeing some hope here. Ah! Hurry up, we're so close! Oh yeah, I never tested out this thing. Nope, track 10 doesn't work. Poor little guy. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your, I think, 24.5 minutes of time, which hopefully did not go in vain. You have an awesome day, week, whatever. Yeah. Adios! Sayonara! Shalom! That's it.